Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I have made this video specially for parents and students and examinees who are appearing in the board exam, and parents are also having stress due to that. So I just want to give you advice, formula for exams, that is both for parents and students. First of all is time management. Dear students, you have to follow the policy of time management. Divide time on hourly basis to different subjects and chapters which you want to get ready first. And second is division of chapters based on self assessment. First of all, you do self assessment. You have to do self analysis on the basis of pre exams, unit tests, pre board or midterm exams, result and report card marks basis, and just check which portion you are feeling yourself weak and revise those time and again. Third is use of potential to the fullest. See, every person is gifted by God in some way or other. So some subject may be your favorite, or other subject you may feel dull. You may touch that books at the last. So just feel your potential in which you want to excel more and use your potential to the fullest, means you devote maximum capacity, maximum hard work to that subject. Fourth is when you feel tired, just get retired from the studies. When you are doing revision or studying or understanding some lesson or difficult topic which is hard to understand, so when you feel bored or tired, just leave it for some time and to refresh yourself and sit aside to entertain yourself with some other hobby or some books, or watching some good reel which is healthier for you, or walk with your friends, peer groups. You can discuss your personal problems with them. You can close books for some time to just get refreshed, not for the longer hours. Fifth, this is the golden rule I've told here in shorts also for you, for parents also. Golden tip: just leave, avoid hurry, worry and curry. Don't be in hurry always. You will get upset or your mind will be not in balance. Just leave worry. Don't get stressed or tense too early or panic yourself. Leave worry and be in balance, be organized. After that, leave curry, not only during exam but always you have to leave curry, spicy food, junk or more oily or ready-made food, for example Chinese, etc. So avoid this and have homely food, fresh, healthier, less spicy, less oily, so that your mind and body feel fresh and healthy and lighter. Okay, this is the golden tip. Parents and students all have to follow this. So this was the avoid hurry, worry and curry. Keep body and mind fresh, light and healthy always. Don't panic in any case or any circumstances. Try to maintain balance of mind always and think positively. Never be negative or never abandon your efforts at any stage. Next is, there are so many points to be discussed, but I have written 6 or 7 main points. Other points also I am going to tell you. For parents especially, I advise you, please never underestimate your wards or your children. Just take care of their emotions and feelings and be supportive always in every circumstance, and provide your advice and support whatever they come to you and ask for. Always try to provide homely healthy food which should be less spicy, that I already discussed here. Hurry, worry and curry. Be ready to solve their problem if they come to ask you. Don't scold them or don't get angry with them. Now, for examinees, I tell you, during exams, just write with a calm and peaceful mind and don't write answer in haphazard manner. Write in points, write to the point answer related to the lesson or story or poem or comprehension. It should be focused with that. Never run away from the main topic and try to write answers in key points. Number your points and answer their answer in good words. Those words should be wisdom words, not in a layman language. And students and parents, including both, should have healthy communication in between them. They should try to talk to each other on every topic, and healthy communication always leads to healthy relationship. At the end, I want to wind up my words saying that well begun is half done. So, parents and children should extend their hands for healthy friendship relations and walk hand in hand in the race of life. Only then your children, your wards can be successful in life. This is not the first exam of life. There are so many exams in rest of the life which your wards have to face. So make them strengthened. Okay, bye. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and also comment in the comment section which type of videos you want next more.